Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Clash of Clans promo codes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an Android device, this will be the Google Play Store. If you are on an iOS device, open the App Store. Once you are in your App Store, use the search function to find the Clash of Clans game application. Simply type Clash of Clans into the search bar and look for the official game developed by Supercell. Once you find it, tap on the install button to download and install the game onto your device. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the game is installed, you can start looking for promo codes to get extra rewards. Open your web browser and search for Clash of Clans promo code. You can use search engines like Google to find websites that list current and valid promo codes for Clash of Clans. Look through the search results and tap on a website that offers promo codes. Some popular sources might be dedicated gaming forums, promotional sites, or blogs that regularly update lists of codes. Once you are on a website that lists Clash of Clans promo codes, scroll down to view the available codes. These codes can provide various in-game benefits like gems, resources, or special items depending on the current promotions and events. Carefully look through the list of codes and note any that you wish to use. Each code will typically have specific instructions or benefits associated with it. After you have found a promo code you want to use, go back to your Clash of Clans game. In the game, there is usually a section where you can redeem codes. This might be found in the settings menu or a special event section. Enter the promo code exactly as it appears, including any capitalization or special characters. Confirm the code to apply it and receive your rewards in the game. So that's basically how to get Clash of Clans promo codes. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.